Share market, very much known place for everyone, where buying and selling of shares take place. Among the various asset class, share market always stands as a lucrative investment option, as it comes with ease of entry and exit. One can start with very little amount, and it also offers partnering business and economy. But unfortunately, among the common retail investors, it is broadly known as risky and mysterious place. There is very clear distrust among the common retail investors about share market. Why so? What makes market risky and mysterious? We are going to help you to reveal this with our video series #BT Market Talk. This will surely help you to become an informed investor. So keep watching #BT Market Talk on Budgety TV. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Welcome to YouTube channel Budgety TV. In this very first video of our BT Market Talk series, we are going to help you to know what this risk is all about. Friends, everyone knows share market investments comes with a disclaimer of risk. And if you want this risk to reward you, then know the risk first. Now what is risk? Risk is uncertainty. Risk is fear. Risk is fear of losing a chance. In simple terms, risk is possibility of financial loss. Investment risks are broadly classified as systematic and unsystematic risk. Systematic risk occurs mainly because of unforeseen events affect the entire market. It is unavoidable. Its impact can be minimized by having diversified asset allocation and is due to macroeconomic factors, whereas unsystematic risk mostly occurs because of predictable reasons. It affects sector or company specific, can be avoided to some extent. Its impact can be minimized by having well diversified portfolio, and it's due to microeconomic factors. We think investor must know one more class, practical risk, which occurs because of investors' indisciplined behavior. This risk includes day trading or overtrading, challenging market, following herd mentality, failing to diversify, waiting to get even, catching a falling knife, lump sum investment, trying to win lottery, and over relying on market expert friend. Thus, we try to explain three types of risk to sum up systematic risk, unsystematic risk, and practical risk. Systematic risk mainly occurs because of unforeseen events and due to microeconomic factors affect entire market. It is unavoidable and its impact can be minimized by diversifying asset allocation, whereas unsystematic risks are somewhat predictable and due to microeconomic factors, effect is sector or company specific. It is avoidable to some extent. Diversify folio to minimize risk, whereas practical risks are knowingly ignored ones, are due to overconfidence of individual, affect individual folio, and it is 100% avoidable, and key to avoid the risk is discipline. By now, we help you to know with almost everything about risk. But friends, risk comes with rewards on other side. Investment thumb rule says high risk is equal to high return, and hence successful investing is about managing risk and not avoiding it. Legendary investor Sir Warren Buffett says, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. So know what you are doing and try to manage your risk. Given tips will help you in managing risk, like diversify folio to minimize risk. Apply the same financial planning rule 100 minus your age for risky bets, balancing leading companies only. Invest in tranches. Be a responsible investor. Stop blaming advisor or market. Don't challenge the market. And most important, courage, discipline and patience. Risk is an inherent part of market and life as well. So try to find balance between risk and reward. If you find the given information helpful, then please give your response in comment section below. Thank you for watching Budgetary TV.